One question that I get asked a lot, and I mean a lot, is Carlo, how do you take care and clean your sneakers? That's the topic for today's vlog. Guys, my name is Carlo. Welcome to my vlog. This is the channel where I talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, it's all about storing, cleaning, and restoring your sneakers. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are about to announce the mechanics for our giveaway for this brand new Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. To be qualified though, you guys have to subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed yet, now would be the best time to do so. Hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and follow me as well on Instagram. When it comes to cleaning my sneakers or taking care of my sneakers, I classify, well, at least all of my kicks under 3 different categories. First, you have your beaters. Beaters are the sneakers that you just beat up relentlessly every day or use them mercilessly regardless whatever the situation is, and you don't really care if they become dirty or not. Usually my beaters are most of the time darker shades of colors just so I don't have to keep on cleaning them. So if they get dirty, the black actually hides it pretty well. So that's the first category, beaters. Next, we have hype sneakers. When it comes to the hype sneakers, they aren't like my gray level sneakers, the sneakers that I really want to keep pristine because they are ridiculously expensive. But hype sneakers are still relatively, you know, pricey. Just like this one. This is the Yeezy V2 Statics. So when it comes to hype sneakers, normally I would maintain them every now and then, but it isn't a sneaker that I would really want to regularly clean, like religiously every time I wear them. So that's the classification. The second classification, hype sneakers. And lastly, we go to the third classification, in my opinion, the highest classification, at least in my collection. We're talking about your grails. Grails are a ridiculously expensive, rare sneakers that, well, are part of your collection and are most likely the ones that you really want to keep clean. Now let's talk about my cleaning or maintenance regimen for the 3 different classifications. Let's kick things off with beaters. As I mentioned earlier, when it comes to sneakers like this, my Ultra Boosts, my Pure Boosts, my NMDs, they're meant to be beat up. They're meant to get dirty. They're meant to really get that grime and dirt into them. But that doesn't necessarily mean that I won't clean them, because when it reaches a point that they are just so dirty and not that presentable anymore, and it gives them the impression that I am a dirty, lazy, you know, dude, that's where I break out my favorite cleaning solution, which are actually Crep Wipes. Because for me, one of the best things to do is to just wipe down the dirt as much as you can. And if it reaches a point where it is already impossible to clean, that's where I break out the Crep Cure, which is a cleaning solution which includes already a brush that allows me to clean and keep the sneaker, well, pristine, or at least bring it back to life. Now, if it's really bad, or if I am super lazy, then I take it to a sneaker professional cleaning service that will take care of the cleaning for me. So again, when it comes to beaters, the point is not to exert too much effort. So it's really just a wipe down after a long period of time, or a resurrection call with Crep Cure, or a full professional cleaning service if it is already really bad looking. Next up, we have my hype pairs. And when it comes to hype pairs, I usually have a 2-step regimen. Number 1, I really make sure that I spray it with like water repellents such as Crep Protect. That's critical because most of actually my hype pairs are color white, or at least light colored. So they attract a lot of dirt, grime, and stains fairly fast. And nothing ruins a good shoe like water or floods. So it is a must for me to be able to protect my hype pairs because they are more expensive than your typical beaters like the Ultra Boosts. And it is really important and crucial for me to be able to protect the shoes from water. Apart from that, usually after like several wears, I break out again the Crep Wipes and then give it a wipe down. Wiping down is important because the longer the dirt sticks to the shoe, the harder it is to remove the dirt. That's why I really can't live without Crep Wipes. I have like a ton. I actually use so much of this like in any, like especially when I go out on trips. So I really can't, you know, do without the Crep Wipes. It goes without saying that if I do hit like a rough patch with the shoe or it becomes super dirty, that I break out Crep Cure or I have it professionally cleaned. When it comes to my grails, it's an automatic 3-step thing. I really can't live without number 1, making sure that it is coated with Crep Protect and water repellent spray. So that's automatic number 1. I really can't leave the house without doing that. Number 2, it's regular wipe down. So again, with the Crep Wipes. I'm not saying that I wipe it down every use, but usually after 2 to 3 uses of a Grail sneaker, I use the Crep Wipes because again, grime sticks to it the longer you ignore it, so the sooner you can take it off the shoe, the better. And number 3, my Grails are usually the ones stored in the Crep boxes at my back with Crep pills inside them to make sure that they smell fresh and at the same time are protected against mold. So as you guys can see, I exert more effort obviously with the Grails and then the hypes, and then when it comes to the beaters, usually I just let them be. So there you have it. That is my straightforward cleaning and maintenance regimen for the different sneakers that I have. Guys, I have a treat for you though. I was able to talk to Crep Protect and I was able to convince them again to bring back that special exclusive discount for you all, for our community here. So if you will go down to the description box, you will find the link to the Crep Protect Philippines website, vault.ph, as well as a limited special edition or exclusive discount code that you guys can use for your purchases for Crep Wipes, Crep Sprays, or Crep Cures. So that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you found it informative and educational and helpful. If you guys have your own cleaning regimen, please do share with the community. Let us know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you guys. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? You know it. Boom.